Hi, Mark here with an AMS Club tip. Today we're diving into two topics, two for the price of one. We're going to jump into the top 10 charts plus include fields from related tables. This is definitely a top 10 for me. Okay, so what we've got in front of us is we've got our all opportunities view here. But what if I wanted to filter and group this by the county or the state or province that the opportunity belongs to? I don't have this field within my view, and the field belongs to the account table. What am I going to do? So what we can do is we can actually say, okay, let's edit our columns. So I'm not going to do a full overview of personal views here, but what we can do is we can edit columns, add columns, and then related, open account. And in this demo system, it's the out-of-the-box field called state or province. You might have it renamed as county, for example, but it can be any field that you're wanting to filter by. We now are going to add to our view field from a related table. Okay, fantastic. So we can see that that's coming from the account form now, the account table. So what we need to do first, we just need to save this as a personal view. So save as new view. I'm just going to call it All Opportunities AMS Club. Okay, there we go. So we've got our All Opportunities AMS Club view. Okay, so now I have this field from a related table in my view. When I'm going to show charts this time, I'm going to create a new chart. I'm going to count by topic as a bar chart. And look at that. I have a related field within my list of available fields. So I can click onto here now and I can get a list of opportunities. I'm doing it by topic, but you could do it by estimated revenue, by the related field. So I can now see which county all of my opportunities are within. Really helpful. Maybe you want to change that county for something else on the account form, or maybe you want to use a related field from the contact. You can really kind of go crazy with this one and use anything you like. That would be helpful as a grouping field. But today is a bonus AMS Club because we're getting two tips for the price of one. So we're also going to have a look at top 10 functionality or top N functionality today as well. This little button here, top and bottom rules. So what we can now do is we can have a look at the top X. So we can have a look at the top 3, the top 5, or in this example, I want to click onto custom and select top 10. Click OK. And I can now see in descending order my top 10 leaderboard for our counties and the opportunities within those counties. So give it a meaningful title. I'm not going to for the sake of time. Click Save and Close. And look at that. We've now got our top 10 counties for the number of opportunities within each county. As I say, you could easily put estimated revenue into here as well. And the best bit is that when you change this to a normal view, so I'm going to go to the all opportunities view that we started with which doesn't have that field in it from the related table for the address one state or province. It still works. So a fantastic way to be able to report on your top 10 records in chart formats and to also use a related field to do that by as well. Thanks for tuning into this week's AMS Club tip. If you found it useful, give us a like, share it with your team or subscribe for more. And remember, All My Systems is here to help you get the most from Dynamics 365.